Hello everybody. Last week it was about Hot Wheels unboxings. I think next week's going to be about Hot Wheels unboxings as well. But this week it's about Matchbox. I have got the 2022 A case here. 24 count A case for Matchbox. The first mix of 2022. For the next video it's going to be mix A of moving parts. That's in the next video. I think I'm also going to incorporate the Chevy C10 pickup, which I think many of you have been receiving of late. Lots to do with Matchbox, but we are going to start with this Mix A. I already cut it open because I didn't know what it was, and anyway, I should have just done it live, but it is what it is, right? I do know it is the A case. We're getting all this cardboard out of the way, and let's just go ahead and open these up. I have done a showcase on most of these, I think all of these. I did one from Arizona, I think it was, obviously over the holiday, right? So this is finally out. I've seen many of you finding it in store. Some of you have seen it. It's been weeks already. But let's just go ahead and get started because now we can see how much of each car is in each mix. So this is the 2011 Mini Countryman in blue with the 10-spoke wheels. There are two of those, and the Ice Cream King in brown. It's funny, I'm Choco Mocha. I'm trying to remember, were these wheels? Was it the 10-spoke wheels on this one when I did the feature? I'm going to have to go back and look. Anyway, it's funny how you don't remember. All right, first new model, and good to see that there's at least two of the 2018 Dodge Durango. I'll show you the artwork too. I think when I did this, I opened these up, right? So this is just really about the counts. And the Nissan NV van, the Dodge Durango, two of those at least, which is good. Really nice casting. I've seen a lot of you really happy to see this one. Done well with the tow hook in the back too, which has a lot of utility for Matchbox with all the things that they do. All right, so far the mixes look good, right? Two of the Mini, two of the Durango. Looks like there's two of the Audi, the Audi TT RS Coupe. That's the red, and then two of the NYPD for 2016 Ford Intercept Utility. That is a really, really nice model. I like the Audi TT2. TT as well, I should probably say. But that NYPD Ford Utility is fantastic. All those NYPD cars that they do are really nice. All right, there's that other Audi TT, but this might be the highlight of the case. And happy to see two of them. At this point, this case is a winner because we have the multiples in the right models are doing the multiples. It seems already with 2022 it's better than last year because sometimes you'd have such a great casting and there'd only be one in there. And considering Matchbox will only do, at this point, like every mix is its own mix, meaning there's no holdovers like with Hot Wheels. Once we go to the B case, none of these will hold over into the B case, right? So it's really nice to see two of the Mitsubishi 3000 GT in there. And I think you've liked the Durango. I think everyone's really digging this one. It's such a nice casting. Love that it debuts in black. Headlight piece is part of the window. I mean, it's just a really, really nice casting. Really nice to see from Matchbox. That's the highlight for me. Two of the Nissan, that's nice too, because that's a casting that people like. One of the 2000 or the 20 Jeep Gladiator Nissan hardbody. I like it with those hubcap style wheels on it. There's the artwork too. And the Volkswagen fans, I guess, and the Jeep fans, right? Look, two of the VW Beetle convertible, and then one of the green Jeep. So we're running with the doubles here. I wonder if they are going to do more mixes and just spread them out, because it seems like we have a lot of multiples in this mix. There's the Curtis Sport Car. That's the other new model. Really interesting. You have to definitely, some of you maybe like serious car fans can remember the 49 Curtis Sport Car, but the rest of us have to Google it. But there it is. We got it. And the 2009 International E-Star van, which is nice too. And to finish it off, another casting that people like, the Mazda Miata. The MX-5 Miata in white, and then the Skidster in green. How easy is that? 24 count case, but this time we don't have to be saying, oh man, I wish they did more and more and more of this one and this one. But the Mitsubishi, the VW, we're doing great. Look, I can even just like put them back here. Where is that Mitsubishi? There it is. Multiples of the Mitsubishi, of the Durango, the NYPD. That is a winner. You guys tell me what you think. This is in stores now. I haven't seen it in my area, but I'm sure it's showing up. Walmart's, Targets, you name it. Thanks everybody. More to come. Lots of Matchbox. Bye.